My soap don't jiggle. Well, I guess it does jiggle. Well, hey guys, I'm Maddie, and in today's how-to, I'll be teaching you guys how to make these super fun and adorable little jelly soaps. That'd be so fun. Okay, I'll stop. Let's get into it. We'll begin by combining our dry ingredients, starting with gelatin. Then we'll add in some salt, which will help thicken the bars up and give them some lather. Whisk those two together, and now it's time for the water. I've already boiled this water and it's super hot, so be careful when adding it in. Whisk everything until both the gelatin and the salt have fully dissolved. To create the foamy bubbles, I'm going to be adding in some unscented liquid Castile soap. Whisk gently so as not to create too many bubbles. When the soap is fully incorporated, we can move on into our additives. Check to make sure the liquid is 120 degrees or lower before this next step. Because this recipe contains water and will be used in the shower, it's necessary to include a preservative to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria. So I'm going to be using German Bin 2 as my preservative of choice. Now I'm adding my rain shower fragrance, and I've already measured it out, so I can just go ahead and dump it right in. Now stir the fragrance in with everything else, and we can finish off with some vitamin E oil and colorant. Finally, a pop of color. As you can see, I chose blue. Now you'll want to use a liquid water-based colorant like us. Now that everything's fully incorporated, we can now fill in our molds. When the jellies are firm to the touch, but still have a little give, they can be taken out of their molds. Do so gently to avoid ripping them. And there you have it, some super cute jelly soaps that fit perfectly in the palm of your hand. To use the soap, simply lather it up between your hands just like you would with traditional soap bars. It's super fun to watch them jiggle too, see? Each 2-ounce jelly soap bar costs about $1 to make, meaning one could be sold wholesale for $2 to $4 and retail for $6 to $10, depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. Now, if you haven't already, head on over to our channel where you can find a playlist full of videos just like this one. There's limitless projects for you to try out and add to your line. Be sure to drop a like on this video to support us here in the lab, and I'll see you guys in the next video real soon. Until then, I'm Maddie. Bye!